Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Yes, it's me, I'm back. In this video I just want to talk a little bit about what happened, so why were there no videos in the past time, and what are my plans for the future of this channel. So I think most of you will know why I didn't upload videos. It was because of my voice issues, so I had issues with my voice because back in fall, I recorded way too much in way too little time. I had a wrong technique of speaking, and that just caused, well, it just didn't feel good in my throat. And it's not entirely good now, so it can be that these issues will come back. I hope not, but if they will, then I have to pause again, sadly. But if not, then I can hopefully slowly turn back to uploading regular videos, which I really miss, to be honest. But yeah, now I just want to give you a little update on what I have been working on in the last few weeks and what I plan to do on this channel in future. Because what I want to do in future is I want to expand my area of topics a little bit I cover here on this channel. Because just native Android got a little bit boring for me, to be honest. So essentially in the last few weeks, I worked a lot with web dev. So I used React to build websites, and that's really fun. But that doesn't mean I'll leave app development. I could imagine trying out React Native. I could imagine trying out progressive web apps. And I just want to ask you what you actually want to see on this channel here in future. So don't get me wrong here, I won't leave native Android, I will still upload videos about native Android, but I still want to bring a little bit more variety in this channel here. And I also think that web dev and mobile dev are pretty close related to each other actually, because in web dev you also need to optimize for mobile devices, and in mobile dev you actually also have React Native, Flutter and all that stuff. That is pretty similar to web dev actually. But for all of you who like Flutter, I won't do Flutter. I don't like it. I have tried it out. So in case you want to suggest something, then do that in the comments. But Flutter is not for me. I'm sorry. So it should be in this mobile development, web development niche. That's the niche I want to make videos about in future. So that's all I wanted to say now. I can't promise that there will be regular videos in the next few weeks. Or at least every second day as I did it in the past. I will try, but I really have to go according to how my voice goes and how much better it gets or how much worse it gets. I hope it gets better, but if not, as I said, then I sadly have to pause again. So I wish you an awesome day, as usual. See you in the next video. Bye bye.